Good morning friends. I am Ankit Ladda, Assistant Professor, Civil Engineering Department. Today we discuss a numerical of one room building. Basically in this question we prepare a estimate of one room building, and this question is related to the subject quantity surveying and valuation or estimating and costing. We all know that estimate of building is done by two methods. One is centerline method, another is separate wall method. So this question is solved by centerline method, and the question is estimate by centerline method the quantities of the following items of a single room building. Following quantities are calculated. First one is earthwork in excavation in foundation, second one is concrete in foundation, third one is brickwork in foundation and plinth, fourth one is brickwork in superstructure. And in this question the one room building plan is given. This is the plan: 4 by 5 meter a square room and 5.3 meter center to center distance of long wall and 4.3 meter center to center distance of short wall, and the wall is 30 centimeter width, and a cross section is given of wall AA. In the cross section, first is concrete in foundation is given, that is 30 centimeter thick and 90 centimeter width. Then the first footing and second footing, first footing 50 centimeter, then the second footing 60 centimeter, both 30 centimeter width thickness. Then the ground level, then the plinth is given 40 centimeter width and 60 centimeter depth. Then the superstructure wall, that is 3.5 meter and 30 centimeter thickness of wall. So in the solution of this one room estimate building, first we draw a foundation trench plan. This is basically similar to the plan, but in plan the width is 30 centimeter given and the 30 meter width is the superstructure wall width, but in foundation the thickness of all long wall and short wall is 90 centimeter given, because this is the foundation trench plan. In the section the 90 centimeter width, lowermost width is given 90 centimeter, that is concrete in foundation, so the trench is 90 centimeter width. So in this foundation trench plan the width of foundation trench is 90 centimeter of all walls. So we create A, B, C, D 4 section, center to center draw. In foundation trench plan, long wall is 5.3 meter center to center distance and short wall is 4.3 meter center to center distance. Then we fill the excavation work in this foundation trench plan. So first we draw the excavation in long wall. So the slant line is given. We center to center draw a slant line for first long wall, then the second long wall. After we put the excavation work in short wall. So another slant wall cross to the long wall. We draw the slant line for the short wall, both short wall. Then we see that in the corners there are 4 corners of inside is 2 times excavated, and outer 4 side corner is there is no excavation. So in inner corners there are 2 times of excavation and in outer corners there are only there are nothing excavation work. So it is composite to each other. Inner corners composite to the outer corners. So this is fillful. Then we calculate the total center length of wall. So 2 into center to center of long wall plus 2 into center to center of short wall, because 2 long wall and 2 short wall are given. Then the 2 into 5.3 plus 2 into 4.3, that is 19.2 meter. This is the center length of wall. Then we prepare details of measurement and calculation of quantities sheet. In this table, first one is item number, then description of item, number, length, width, height or depth, quantity and explanatory note. In the question, first is given the earthwork in excavation in foundation. In number 1, because this is the centerline method, or in centerline method all quantity is 1. Length we already calculated, center to center length is 19.2 meter. Width for the excavation in foundation, there is a 90 centimeter width is given, so the 0.9 meter width. Height or depth is 90 centimeter. Height or width is calculated from ground level to trench, so the from the ground level 30 centimeter both footings and 30 centimeter concrete in foundation, that means 30 plus 30 plus 30, that is 90 centimeter. So the height or depth is 0.9 meter. So for quantity multiplied by all number, length, width and height, and that is 15.55 cubic meter. Then we calculate second number, concrete in foundation. In number 1, because of centerline method, length already calculated 19.2 meter, width is 0.9 meter, concrete in foundation 0.9 is given, that 90 centimeter is given, that means 0.9 meter. Then the height or depth in section, in cross section, the foundation in concrete height or depth is 30 centimeter is given, so 0.3 meter. Then we calculated length, width, height and number all multiplied, and it is comes to 5.18 cubic meter. Then third one is brickwork in foundation and plinth. First we calculated first footing, number of first footing is 1, 19.2 meter is the length, and then the width is 60 centimeter is given, that in question. Then the 0.6 and height or depth is given 0.3 meter, so it is comes 3.46 cubic meter. Then second footing similarly 19.2 meter 1, then the width is 0.5 meter, in cross section given 0.3 meter, height or depth 0.3 meter is height or depth. Then we multiplied all length, width and height, that is 2.88 cubic meter. Then the plinth wall, number of plinth wall 1, 19.2 meter length, 0.4 is the width, in the cross section 0.4 is width is given, and 60 centimeter height or depth is given, so 0.6 meter height or depth, multiply length, width, height and number, that is 4.61 cubic meter. Then we calculated all brickwork, first footing, second footing and plinth wall, that is 10.95 cubic meter. So the brickwork in foundation and plinth is 10.95 cubic meter. Then the fourth one is brickwork in superstructure, number of quantity 1, then the length is 19.2 meter, then the width is 0.3 meter in superstructure wall, in cross section 0.3 meter width is given, and the superstructure wall height is 3.5 meter given. So we multiplied number, length, width and height, that is 20.16 cubic meter. So this is the estimate of one room building. In this question there are only given prepare a estimate. So this is the answer of this question. Thank you. If you like this video, Please like on YouTube, share and subscribe my channel Ankit Ladda. Thank you.